Have you ever dreamed of making money on YouTube without showing your face or spending hours filming? Let's unlock the secrets to YouTube automation, where smart work beats hard work, and AI tools become your ultimate sidekick. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation refers to creating and managing a YouTube channel where most tasks, such as video creation, editing, and management, are delegated or automated. This allows you to focus on strategy and growth while minimizing direct involvement. Whether it's faceless content like top 10 lists, educational videos, or niche-based content, automation opens up countless possibilities. Step 1. Choosing the right niche. Foundation of any profitable YouTube channel lies in selecting a niche. In 2025, the most lucrative niches include tech and gadgets, tutorials, reviews, and comparisons, personal finance, budgeting tips, investing strategies, and financial independence, health and wellness, fitness routines, mental health tips, and diet plans, educational content, tutorials on trending topics like AI, coding, or marketing, entertainment, commentary, compilations, or storytelling. Pro tip: use tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, or SEMrush to identify high-demand, low-competition niches. Step 2. Creating high-quality content. Consistency and quality are key. Your content should be visually appealing, engaging, and informative. Here's how to ensure that. 1. Script writing. Focus on storytelling to keep viewers hooked. Include actionable insights or entertaining narratives based on your niche. Use AI tools like ChatGPT for idea generation and scriptwriting assistance. 2. Voiceover. Use AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs or emurf.ai for a natural-sounding voice. Test different tones and styles to match your audience's preferences. 3. Visuals. Source royalty-free videos and images from platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks. Use AI tools such as Runway ML or Canvas AI features for custom visuals. 4. Editing. AI-powered editors like Descript, Adobe Premiere Pro with AI integration, and CapCut can save time and enhance production quality. Automate tasks like adding subtitles, removing silences, and color grading with these tools. Step 3. Leveraging AI for growth. AI tools are game changers for YouTube automation. Here's how you can use them. 1. Content research. Tools like TubeBuddy and Vidic provide insights into trending topics, keywords, and competitor analysis. 2. Thumbnail creation. Use Canva's AI features or tools like Thumbnail Blaster to design click-worthy thumbnails. 3. SEO optimization. Tools like Morning Fame and Tubix analyze your metadata and suggest improvements to optimize video rankings. 4. Data analysis. AI tools like Social Blade or YouTube Analytics help track performance and suggest strategies for improvement. Step 4. Scaling your channel. 1. Outsource repetitive tasks. Use platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to hire professionals for scriptwriting, editing, and voiceovers. Create standard operating procedures (SOPs) to ensure consistency. 2. Build a team. Start small with freelancers and eventually build a dedicated team as your channel grows. 3. Monetization strategies. Add revenue. Once eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, ads become your primary income stream. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions for every sale through affiliate links. Merchandise. Use platforms like Teespring to sell branded merchandise. Sponsorships. Partner with brands relevant to your niche for paid collaborations, courses, and ebooks. Share your expertise in a structured format for an additional income stream. Step 5. Avoiding common pitfalls. 1. Low-quality contents. Don't compromise on quality to save time. 2. Over-automation. Maintain a human touch, especially in engagement and storytelling. 3. Neglecting analytics. Regularly analyze your channel's performance and adapt your strategy. Why 2025 is the best year for YouTube automation. With advancements in AI and increasing demand for digital content, the potential to grow a YouTube channel profitably has never been higher. AI tools simplify the process, making it accessible even for beginners. By combining creativity, strategy, and smart work, you can establish a sustainable income stream through YouTube automation. This comprehensive roadmap ensures that anyone can start and scale a profitable YouTube channel in 2025, even without prior experience. Keep your viewers hooked with quality content and an engaging delivery style, and watch your channel thrive.